Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to uninstall VLC media player in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just go to search and open control panel, open it, and here we'll be having programs, then select programs and features, and here we'll be having VLC media player. Right click and select uninstall. Click on yes, and this will show us the location from where it is getting uninstalled. Select next, and here make sure that you are checking this also. Delete preferences and cache, and click on uninstall. And now it has been uninstalled. Click on finish, and that's it. We won't be having over here. Now if I even go to search and type for VLC, I'm not having. This is directly going to the search the web. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.